We all know that lemons are great for our health, but what we don't know is the fact that they contain limonoids. They can stop the development of tumors, specifically breast tumors. There are many amazing effects the lemon does on the human body. Every part of the lemon is beneficial, even the peel. It has more vitamins than lemon juice itself. It is a powerful anti-carcinogenic agent, but besides that, it can eliminate many bacteria, parasites, fungi, and worms, as well as detoxify the body. You are probably asking, how will you eat the lemon peel? Do not worry, because we got you all covered, since we have the solution. Before you put the lemon in the freezer, make sure it is well washed, then freeze it. Another way would be by cutting the lemon into pieces and freezing them completely. After the lemon is frozen, you can grate or grind the lemon peel and sprinkle it over everything, onto your soups, creams, salads, pasta, desserts, or any drink. That is the simple way for staying healthy and fresh at the same time.